Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to make cheesy mushroom discs, an ooey gooey fast to cook starter or appetizer which can bring a kick to any party or get together. It's easy to make and full of flavor and health benefits of mushrooms. So let's get started. Please watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of mushrooms, tips and tricks and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Please share it with your friends and family. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Also, tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Did you make this recipe? Show me your creation on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook with tag @FestiveFlavors and hashtag #FestiveFlavors. We will feature your picture and name in the upcoming videos. Let's look at the ingredients. Mushroom 125 grams, bread 8 slices, cheese 1 cup, melted butter 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1/4 cup, garlic 2 teaspoons, chopped green chilies 2 to 3, black pepper ½ teaspoon, Italian seasoning 1 teaspoon, chili flakes ½ teaspoon, salt to taste, oil 1 tablespoon. Let's get started. Clean and wash mushrooms thoroughly. Clean the mushrooms by dipping them in salt water and then rubbing the dirt off. After that, wash them clean with 2 to 3 changes of water. Pat them dry. Chop the mushrooms into small cubes like in the video. Keep them aside. Let's prepare the bread. You will need cookie cutters, one of small round size and one of larger round size. If you do not have cookie cutters, you can use a small steel bowl and a larger steel bowl. If you do not have bowls, then you can use the full bread for making this recipe. Take the bread and the larger round cookie cutter. Cut bread rounds from the bread. The outer sides of bread slices can be made into breadcrumbs for other recipes. You can find the recipe for breadcrumbs in the paneer cutlet video posted on Festive Flavors. The link is above and down below in the description box. Now take half of the larger rounds and put them aside. Like if you have 6 total rounds, then keep 3 aside. Take the other 3 rounds and use the small cookie cutter and cut rings and smaller rounds. Now take the rings and place them on the 3 large rounds. You can make small cheesy mushroom discs with the leftover small rounds. Keep them aside. Let's make the filling by sauteing the mushrooms. Heat the pan to medium-high, add oil, add a tablespoon of melted butter, add chopped garlic, cook for a minute. Now add chopped onions. Let them cook for another minute. Now add green chilies. Add chopped mushrooms. Mushrooms, when they hit the heat, they start to release water. We have to evaporate the water to get the brown color and juicy texture. Mix everything. Now add black pepper, chili flakes, half of the Italian seasoning, and salt. Mix everything and let the mushrooms sweat the water. Cook them over a medium-high flame. Leave it for some time and then mix everything together again. You will see some water leaving the mushrooms. We want all the water evaporated, that is, when the mushrooms have cooked. The mushrooms look done now. Take the filling out in a bowl. The before and after look. It took 7 to 10 minutes to cook mushrooms. Let's prepare the cheesy mushroom discs. Take 2 tablespoons of butter and add the leftover Italian seasoning. Mix it. Brush this mixture on the bread rounds and rings, top and bottom. Do the same for smaller rounds too. Take the bread rings and rounds. Keep the rings over the rounds. Place some of the cooked mushroom filling on the bread inside the rings over the rounds. Repeat for all the bread rounds. Now place a spoonful of grated cheese on the mushrooms. Repeat for all rounds. For the baking method, now place the prepared discs on a baking tray and bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes or till the cheese has melted and turned golden in color. For the gas stove method, place the discs in a pan on medium-low heat and cover it with a lid and cook till the cheese has melted. It might not turn golden in color from the top, but there will be no compromise in taste. The discs in the oven are done. They look so good. These are extremely tasty and flavorful and highly gratifying. Now let's look at the tips and tricks for making cheesy mushroom discs. Chop the mushrooms into small cubes. This will make it easy to fill the discs. Cook the mushrooms on medium-high heat. This will impart a smoky flavor to the mushrooms. Evaporate all the water of the mushrooms. Keep an eye on the cheesy mushroom discs in the oven so that they do not burn, as every oven is different. Now let's look at the health benefits of mushrooms. Mushrooms are extremely healthy. Mushrooms strengthen the immune system. Mushrooms have high concentration of antioxidants ergothioneine and glutathione, which protect our body from psychological stress and hence prevent signs of aging. Ergothioneine and glutathione antioxidants also protect our brain as we age from Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Mushrooms increase our memory and help with cognitive function. They are full of vitamin B and vitamin C, which help in providing energy to the body. It has vitamin D and also helps in good absorption of vitamin D of the body and hence cures the osteoporosis painful symptoms and strengthens the bones. Let's look at the ingredients. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please subscribe to Festive Flavors and click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Share it with your family and friends. Please click the like button below if you like the recipe. Also tell us what you think of this recipe in the comment section below. Next time we will come with a new video. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.